Welcome to AutoResolve. Here how to fix the getsockopt connection error in Minecraft quick and easy.
Allow Java Minecraft through Firewall Step 1. Open Windows Security, Firewall, and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall. Step 2. Click Change Settings, locate Java, exe or Java Platform C binary, and make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Fix 2. Change your DNs to Google Public DNS. Step 1. Open Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Step 2. Right-click your connection, Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP4, Properties. Step 3. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS 888. Alternate DNs 884. Step 4. Click OK and restart your PC if needed. Fix 3. Reset port forwarding for hosts. Step 1. Log into your router's admin interface and locate the port forwarding section. Step 2. Delete any existing forwarding rules for Minecraft, default port 25565. Step 3. Find your host PC's current IP4 address, then recreate the port forward rule pointing to that IP. Internal IP changes, e.g. switching from 4 gazos to 5 gazo can break existing rules. Step 4. Confirm your public IP matches the router's WAN IP. Not behind SAGNet. Use a lookup like, what is my IP? If mismatched, you might need a dedicated IP or use tunneling services. Fix 4. Use VPN or tunneling as a workaround. Step 1. Try connecting using a VPN or mobile hotspot to rule out local network issues. Step 2. Consider services like Playit, GJ, Cloudflare, Warp, or 1 to bypass NAT firewall restrictions.